Hello friends! Today I want to show you a strategy thanks to which any of you will start to earn money on trading. Advance, put a like, subscribe to the channel. Well friends, let's begin. Trading. I'm always on the pocket option platform. Today I will use technical analysis, an additional indicator, and in general to watch the market trend. Let's not lose time and start trading. Not a bad entry point on the currency pair Euro-Swiss franc. Went in on the upside from the support level range. Also, if we pay attention to the indicator, we can see a strong oversold condition here, which means the buyer will now start to turn on and the price will show a rise. Simple entry point. Now let's wait for the result. The price is going up, which means that our first trade is closed in the plus without any problems. The second trade we see a good price drawdown, and also the RSI indicator is strongly oversold. This tells us that the buyer will now start to turn on, and the price will accordingly show growth. In simple words, the price is now at a discount. And as we know, the buyer likes to buy at a discount. That's the whole point of this deal. Let's wait for the result. Well, the second deal is also closed in plus, without any problems. Great! If you have neither experience nor the right knowledge in trading, it's not a problem. After all, in order for you to make money on trading, it's enough to copy the working and ready signals of our trading robot, which you can get for free. The signals have a return rate of over 85%. Well, you have to write to me right now in private messages in Telegram channel, then wait for my answer. And it's desirable to do it as soon as possible, because soon we will close the free access to the robot. On the currency pair Euro-Australian dollar, I saw a good entry point for a long position. Here we have a local support level. Also, the buyer has a good potential, and we see that the price is in some drawdown. Now I expect the price to go up. All we are waiting for the result of the deal. Great! The price movement has been read and our final trade is closed in the plus without any problems. Well, and at the final result on our balance the sum of $700. We did it literally in 15 minutes, starting with $100. I consider it's a great result. Well, your friends, do not forget to put likes, write your comments and subscribe to the channel. Who wants to start earning on trading? All the links are in the description. Do it! Good luck to everyone! Bye-bye!